Today we travel to Japan without leaving Thailand. In many local markets you can find this delicious street recipe, Okonomiyaki, a kind of Japanese tortilla that you can customize to your liking. In its most traditional version, Okonomiyaki has grated cabbage, egg, flour, chives, and some main ingredients such as bacon, seafood, or octopus. And of course, the unmistakable Okonomiyaki sauce, Japanese mayonnaise, and dry bonito flakes. First, you mix the cabbage with the egg and the dough. Then, it is poured into a hot iron. It is cooked on both sides until golden, and at the end, it is covered with a delicious mixture of okonomiyaki sauce, Japanese mayonnaise, nori seaweed powder, and katsuobushi, those fish flakes that seem to move with the heat. This is how our okonomiyaki looks like, crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, and full of flavor. A dish that combines the best of Japanese street cuisine with the relaxed style of the markets of Thailand. If you like the video, like it and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to discover more authentic Asian dishes, visit our website. See you in the next video.